them to come for us.
Okay, now this question is how to adapt and create situations or opportunities instead of waiting for them to come for us. This is the question. Right. So my dear friends, let us have a small discussion about this question. Creating situations and opportunities. Creating situations and opportunities. Very important. We have to underline this line. Creating situations and opportunities. That we have to create. It will never come to us. Right. Creating the situations and opportunities. So my dear friends, first we should know what are the different types of opportunities which are available for us. What are the different types of opportunities that are available for us? Very important. For that, we must gain some knowledge. Acquiring the knowledge is one of the most important things. To know the kind of opportunities you are going to get, you must gain some knowledge. Creating the situations and opportunities. My dear friends, for example, I would like to go with an example. Creating the situations and opportunities. Now, let us think about many examples can be narrated from this so that you can understand in a better way. There is a child. I am just going with an example again. And that child is coming from lower middle class family or very poor family. And even the child is not having parents. He lost his mother and father. Almost financially zero, nothing. There is no parental support because there is no chance of having parental support. In this particular situation, situations are worst. Sometimes these situations are not in our hand. Having a birth is not in your hand. You can have a birth, your birth can happen in a beggar's house or in a rich person's house or in a scientist's house. Where you are going to take your birth is not in your hand. Which area or which place or which country is not in your hand. Our birth is not in our hand. That situation you can't create. It is God has created the situation for you. The platform for you. You have taken a birth in that place. For example, the situation is worst. But the created situation for you is worst situation is created. Because you are not given a sufficient amount of economical support nor the parental support. But you have taken something into your heart that this should not continue throughout my life. I should be in such a position that people listen to me, people accept my decisions, and I can execute a better power and the best power in my life, so that my scale of work increases. So this person, existing situations are too worst, but the same person, I am taking a live example which I know, the same person just started going to a government school, just with the mere facilities, started handling the home tuitions right from the 7th or 8th standard onwards, earning his own livelihood, because there is no other way, taking all the pains of earning his own livelihood, preparing his own food, no luxuries. There is no chance of any luxury there, because the situations are worst, but getting the best out of the worst situation. And having a personal manifesto. He wrote his own manifesto. This is the way he is going to live his life. I am not going to misuse his life. Life is a great opportunity. Greatest opportunity is to be alive. That's all. Nothing more than that. And started thinking about, discussing with the teacher, and came to know that if I am going to become an IAS officer, these are the things, these are the kind of opportunities I am going to get. The child came to know that if I acquire this power into my hand, I can execute the best power throughout my life, whether in service, even after retirement. Then this particular child, going to the government school, inquiring the different questions, with his questions to the teachers, got the different answers. See the thirst of the child. Once a child is having the thirst to know, definitely any person will try to support him to the best. This child, discussed with the support of the teacher, have taken the best guidance and started his preparation. His dream is always to become an IAS officer. He started, even if he gets a small newspaper, he is not leaving it. He is not having money to buy the newspaper. But today's newspaper is tomorrow's waste paper for most of the people. But that waste paper is a useful paper for him. He made that opportunity. For the others it is a removed paper, but for him it is a great library. It is increasing the strength of his library. In that way, with the limited economical sources what he had, he started acquiring the different material what is required. He got the clarity within, by the time, how to write this exam, what is the minimum qualification required, within how many years I am going to get that qualification, what are the main subjects that I have to write, in what steps the examination is going to be conducted. Now the child had a clear idea about the complete process with the help of his teachers. Then the child started working towards it. Any big goals cannot be reached in short time. It takes long time process. Continuously he is using every single opportunity before him. Though leading a toughest life, no guaranteed food for no three meals a day, but every starving is teaching him a lesson. From every starving he is getting a lesson and fixing himself much stronger towards what he wants. dedicated, converted every opportunity very positively into the way in which he wanted to reach. Completed all his studies in the government institutions without any much payment, and used the railway station Wi-Fi's. See, the Wi-Fi in the railway station is being used. How many opportunities are there today? Infinity number of opportunities are available. If a person is having a thirst to know, infinite opportunities are there. Used every opportunity and he cleared the IAS examination in the first attempt. The moment he cleared this examination, the most toughest examination, no doubt about it, all the kinds of pains what he experienced throughout his life, every pain, in spite of all the pains what he experienced, he used every single opportunity very positively in the way in which he wanted to. Because every single moment he did not forget what he want to get. The moment every individual remembers every moment what he wants, definitely every moment he invests in that direction. Having all the worst situations existing, got the best result. Once after getting the best result, completely the scenario have completely changed. So my dear friends, opportunities are always infinite in number. The only thing is how much thirst you have, how much anxiety or ambitious you are getting that. That is very important. How much of burning desire you have in getting that. Burning desire is required. Then any kind of opportunity you can convert it favorable for you. Whether it is favorable or unfavorable situations are available before you. You can convert every situation favorable to you. Any situation and every situation can be converted favorable for you if you are having that burning desire for what you want, and you are having crystal clarity about what you want before your eyes. If that clarity is missing or the burning ambition is missing, hundreds and thousands of opportunities are laid before you. You are blind, having eyes, but you are blind. Even a blind can see with his heart if he has the quest for it, the thirst for it. So my dear friends, I think situations are there. Situations, whether worst or best, can be tuned according to your required situations. Opportunities infinity are there today because of the exploration of the science and technology. Infinite opportunities are there. Situations and opportunities are always going to work for you only with your burning desire. What is the meaning of the burning desire? Once Arjuna asked Krishna to tell him the formula of success. Then Krishna says, tomorrow you come in the morning, early in the morning at 6 o'clock to me. So both of them went to the river. Just by walking, they were just entering into the river Ganga. Then Krishna just dipped Arjuna with all his energy, dipped him into the water. He just pushed him into water with all his energy. The next moment, without any late, without any delay, without any postponement, without any second thought, Arjuna, with all his best energy, he kept all his best energy, just pushed himself outside. Just pushed Krishna aside. During that time, he used all his energy. Every cell of his body has given his best energy out. Then Krishna observed this attempt. Then he told, this is called the burning desire. See, if you miss that burning desire to come out, you will lose your life. So, you are at the cost of your life. That is the reason why you gave your best of it. That is a burning desire. When something is at your cost of your life, definitely the best of the best will come out. That is your best. That will not come out when you are in the comfortable zone. Sometimes we have to shift ourselves from the comfort zone. Our comfort zone will not bring the best energies outside from us. Sometimes. Okay. If we start waiting for the situations to come, situations will never come to us. Never, they are not going to come to us. Situations are coming, but you are not understanding because you became blind. You are not identifying that situations are coming and going because you are not having the kind of burning desire of taking every opportunity, grabbing every opportunity. So, my dear friends, whether rich or poor, any caste, any creed, any situation, any place, infinite situations are there. Good, bad, worse, best, different situations are there. Every situation can be tuned to our comfortable situation. Every opportunity can be used by us. Any opportunity, good, better, best, worst, anything. If you are telling that today I lost this examination or I lost this because of so and so reason, you are only finding fault of it. You are only finding fault of it. Means you are trying to give an excuse to yourself. Means nothing but you didn't give your best, didn't come out. So, I never think that blaming is not right. That situations are not created for me or opportunities are not coming for me or I am waiting for them. These are all the people of the achieving people will not wait for a situation to come. Wait for the opportunities. They will get it into their ways. They will get it. So, my dear friends, I think waiting for the situation to come, we should never wait. We should never wait. We are waiting for the situation to come, it never comes to us. So, we have to use every situation and every opportunity before us to get the best out of it. How to get the best out of the worst, that's important. And adapting to the best. Any situation, we will adapt our. We can adapt. If our heart is ready, we can adapt to any situation. Adapting to the situation is depending on the strength of the micro body, not on the strength of the macro body, not on the physical body strength. It is depending on the micro body, not the macro body strength. So, if we are mentally strong, we can adapt to any situation. Right, I think the answer is, there are so many examples of so many people. If we keep reading the autobiographies of many great personalities, then we will understand how they converted the worst into best. That is the real way of living. So I think you might have taken some important, at least few points might be useful for you. Thank you very much.